Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I add blur to any photo in Photoshop. This is something I do all the time. In this example, we're going to amplify the blur in a photo that already has some natural blur from the camera. Okay, let's get started. The first step is to cut out the subject, so you'll need to use the object selection tool and make sure it's set in add to selection and lasso mode. Outline the subject and then click select and mask. And use the Refine Edge brush to refine the edges of your cutout. In this photo, the hair does need some refinement, so this tool will allow you to easily refine those tough areas. And we're going to refine her earrings to make sure those are visible as well in the cutout. You'll notice that sometimes Photoshop won't be able to refine the edges perfectly, like this bit of hair, but that's okay because you can use the object selection tool to manually select those areas to make sure they're in your cutout. Once you're done with your refinement, just output this as a new layer and click OK. Now that we have a perfect cutout of our subject, the next step is to actually remove her so we can get a more natural blur once we add it later. Simply use the lasso tool to outline the subject, just make sure that every part of her is well within that outline. Then click Edit Fill Content Aware and Photoshop will automatically remove the subject from the photo. And now we can go ahead and add the blur to that background photo. Go to Filter, Blur, Lens Blur, and you can adjust the radius to add more or less blur and click OK. And there you go. Now you learned how to add a natural looking blur to any of your photos. I post new fast and easy design tutorials every Wednesday. If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified about my latest videos.